Hello, speak, and talk are two words in English that often confuse English learners. They are similar, but they are used differently in English. In this video, I'll show you the difference between them and exactly when to use them in sentences, okay? We use speak when the situation is formal or official. We also use speak when the situation is serious. Okay, we also use speak when talking about language. So when a sentence has to do with language, you speak. We speak language, we don't talk language. We use talk when the situation is informal or casual. We also use talk for conversation. So when two or more people are discussing, they talk. Now let's use this information to answer these questions. As we do so, you will understand better, okay? We need to blank about your performance. This sentence talks about casual conversation. So since it's a casual situation, the correct word to use is talk. We need to talk about your performance. Next, the CEO will blank at the conference tomorrow. You can see having CEO here shows that it is a formal situation. So the correct word to use is speak. Next, she refused to blank to the reporters. Here is also talking about formal situation because it has to do with the media. So she refused to speak to the reporters. Next, they spent hours blank about their childhood memories. This sentence suggests a casual conversation. So the right word to use is talk. They spent hours talking about their childhood memories. So it's a casual discussion, okay? Next, can I blank with you for a moment? It's urgent. Having it urgent here shows that it is a serious situation. So when the situation is serious, use speak. Can I speak with you for a moment? Next, he is very shy and doesn't blank much in meetings. Having meeting here shows that it is a professional environment. That means the situation is formal. So the right word is speak. He is very shy and doesn't speak much in meetings. Next, stop blank and listen to me. Here is an informal instruction. So the right word to use is talk. Stop talking. Present continuous tense. Stop talking and listen to me. A father can give instruction to his son. Stop talking and listen to me. Next, she was invited to blank on climate change. This sentence suggests someone doing a presentation, and a presentation is a formal situation. So the right word to use is speak. She was invited to speak on climate change. This is a topic. Okay. Next, I was blank to my friend when you called. This is a casual situation. So the right word to use is talk. I was talking to my friend when you called. Next, do you know how to blank Spanish? This is about a language. So when it has to do with a language, use speak. Do you know how to speak Spanish? Next, the teacher told us not to blank during the exam. This is about a teacher telling students not to involve in conversation. It is a casual conversation. That means the right word to use is talk. The teacher told us not to talk during the exam. Next, he needs to blank with the manager about the issue. Having manager here shows that it is a formal situation. So, speak is the right word to use. He needs to speak with the manager about the issue. Next, they were blank quietly in the corner. This is about personal conversation. So the situation is informal. That means the right word to use is talk. They were talking, present continuous tense. They were talking quietly in the corner. Next, the ambassador will blank to the press later today. We are talking about press, the media. That means it is a formal situation. So the right word to use is speak. The ambassador will speak to the press later today. And the last one, I don't want to blank about it right now. I'll leave this one for you to answer in the comment section. Should it be speak or talk? Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like and subscribe for more.